Have you ever questioned the nature of reality? What if everything we know, everything we feel, and everything we experience is not real? This is the intriguing premise of the simulation hypothesis. The simulation hypothesis proposes that our universe and everything in it, including us, exists within a sophisticated computer simulation. It suggests that we are living in a digital world meticulously crafted by advanced beings or intelligence. This mind-boggling idea, once relegated to the realms of science fiction, has gained traction in recent years, sparking debate and contemplation among scientists, philosophers, and the public alike. This essay will delve into the depths of the simulation hypothesis, exploring its potential validity and the implications for our understanding of existence. Imagine a future civilization with unimaginable computing power, capable of creating simulations indistinguishable from reality. These simulations would be so advanced that their inhabitants, conscious beings like ourselves, would be unaware of their true nature. The simulation hypothesis argues that we could be those simulated beings. Proponents of this theory suggest that our universe's fundamental laws, constants, and even our own consciousness could be intricately coded constructs. Every interaction, every thought, every experience could be nothing more than lines of code executed by a powerful computer system beyond our comprehension. While seemingly outlandish, the simulation hypothesis gains some credence when we consider the exponential progress of our own technological advancements. From the relatively primitive computers of the past to today's powerful machines capable of rendering realistic virtual worlds, our technological trajectory hints at a future where creating such sophisticated simulations might be possible. Several observations suggest potential evidence for the simulation hypothesis. One argument stems from our universe's fundamental constants. These constants, like the speed of light, seem finely tuned for life. Some suggest this fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer, the creators of our simulation. Unexplained phenomena in quantum mechanics hint at the underlying code of our simulated reality. Section 4. Reality Check. Arguments against the simulation. Despite its intriguing premise, the simulation hypothesis is not without its critics. Many argue that the theory, while thought-provoking, remains highly speculative and lacks concrete evidence. The fine-tuning argument, for instance, can be countered by the anthropic principle, which suggests that it is not surprising that we observe a universe suitable for life because we, as living beings, are here to observe it. Additionally, the notion of glitches in the matrix often relies on misinterpretations or exaggerations of scientific phenomena. While quantum mechanics undoubtedly presents counterintuitive concepts, it remains a well-tested and robust theory that does not necessarily point towards a simulated reality. Critics also point out that the simulation hypothesis suffers from a lack of falsifiability. If our reality is a perfect simulation, indistinguishable from a non-simulated one, then it becomes impossible to prove or disprove the hypothesis, rendering it more of a philosophical thought experiment than a testable scientific theory. Section 5. The unknowable truth. Can we ever be sure? The simulation hypothesis, like many profound questions about the nature of reality, may ultimately remain outside the realm of definitive proof. We may never be able to definitively confirm or deny whether we are living in a simulation. However, the value of such thought experiments lies not necessarily in finding concrete answers, but in pushing the boundaries of our understanding. The simulation hypothesis challenges our assumptions about the nature of reality, our place in the cosmos, and the limits of our own knowledge. It compels us to confront the possibility that our universe and our very existence may be far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. The significance of the question, does it even matter? The simulation hypothesis raises profound philosophical and existential questions. If we are living in a simulation, what does that mean for free will, consciousness, and life's meaning? Does it diminish our experiences if they are just lines of code? If our simulated existence is all we know, does it make it any less real? The simulation hypothesis encourages us to contemplate our existence and appreciate the universe's wonder.